Welcome to today's video, where we will tackle a common problem that macOS users might encounter. The problem at hand involves symbolic links, specifically related to Google Drive, causing some issues with navigation in the terminal. This can be quite frustrating for users who rely on these links for easy access to their files. Now let's jump into the solution for this problem. The key here is to work with the existing symbolic links and make sure they point to the right locations. By removing the current symbolic link for Google Drive and creating a new one that directly points to the actual data in my drive, we can ensure smoother navigation and usability. This can be achieved by running the commands rm Google Drive followed by ns my drive Google's Drive. In summary, we've addressed the navigation issue related to symbolic links in macOS, specifically with Google Drive. By removing and recreating the symbolic link, we have optimized the setup to ensure seamless access to the desired files. I hope this solution helps you overcome any similar challenges you may face in the future. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any other tech topics you'd like to see covered. Thanks for watching, and happy computing!